to the shop. So the last couple weeks have been kind of hectic trying to get this gold Fj60 running. Every day off that I've had from work, I've headed over to where it's parked and just done a little maintenance on it. We thought at first when we started cranking it over for the first time that it had a dead motor, that the head gasket might have been bad, we weren't really sure. We kind of loosened it up, did some seafoam, and started to turn over a little better. Then we initially thought it might have been the carburetor, so I took a secondhand carburetor, which I knew was a runner, and put that on her. And then today, we came up with our final plan because we couldn't get it ready to go on day 3, and we slapped a new mechanical fuel pump on the truck. Basically what was happening is that we went through 2 liters of gas while we were cranking it over, crank, and the gas would just disappear. So what we thought was that it was actually flowing right into the oil pan. We checked the oil, there was in fact gasoline in there. So we changed out that mechanical fuel pump and watch the video and see what happens. So if you do like this type of stuff, please subscribe, comment, like, let me know what you want to see, and I guess I'll see you in part 3 when she moves. So this is part 2 of the Gold 60 truck. In the last video it was raining cats and dogs. A month later it's starting to rain and snow. So I don't know if that's a curse or a blessing, but let's get to it. We're just gonna go ahead and put a new battery on her. It's actually coming from the old Scabby Gabby part out, so I know the battery's good. She's got power. Let's see if she turns over. Valve cover off. Want to check out the valve train, see what's going on there, see if it's spinning freely, everything looks okay, and see if we're getting oil to the top of the engine. Oh, it's soaking wet out here and snowy and cold. I just went ahead and replaced the coil and igniter. I have a feeling that that might be the issue, so I had an extra one on my truck, in the blue truck. So we'll see if that gives it a go. Oh, hey guys. So last time you saw me, it was snowing and I was trying to work on the Gold 60. If you look familiar, this is Scabby Gabby. It's a barn truck I picked up about a year ago. And we're cutting out the windshield. I parted her out. There's a lot of parts still to go, and I'm taking out the headliner right now. Somebody wants that. But we're gonna have another go at the Gold 60 because that thing will fire today, promise. Just did some quick spark plug change out. Took some old plugs from my truck and we put them in, tested the spark. We are getting spark, still just can't get it to turn over. I don't understand why.
There she goes. Got some life, got some life. So if you remember correctly, in part one of this build, I said I needed a new carburetor. So last time we tried to start it, it was just flowing a whole liter of gas straight through the carburetor. We weren't sure why. So I brought a new carburetor over, new, quote unquote. We're gonna slap it on, see if we can get this old rig running. I don't think winter is my month to be working on Land Cruisers. This is my third time trying to get the truck started. We put a new carburetor on. Now we're gonna try a fuel pump. I got the new fuel pump in. We're gonna give her a couple tries here. She's smoking like crazy. But I got it. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Heck yeah! Yes! Freaking so cold out here, but we got it running. Heck yeah. Just like that, she's running. She's burning off the sea foam that we put in the motor, trying to clear her out. She actually sounds pretty good though. This is the Farmyard Cruiser. She's idling. This will conclude part 2 of the Farmyard Barn Find Cruiser series. Like, comment, subscribe, tell me if you like this stuff. Part 3 coming soon.